With the rise of remote work and the digital economy, more and more companies are adopting the remote work model and are looking to hire skilled professionals who can work from anywhere in the world. So, in this video, we'll be looking at 7 in-demand jobs based on research and the online platforms where you can take courses on these roles. So, let's get started. The first on my list is software development. Software development has become an essential component for many businesses with the rise of technology and digital innovation. The demand for software developers are increasing rapidly. As a matter of fact, the Bureau for Labor Statistics projects a 22% employment growth for software developers between 2021 and 2031. This will likely be the highest growth rate compared to other careers in the IT industry. What do they do? Software developers are responsible for creating computer programs that perform specific tasks. They are responsible for developing, designing, and testing software programs. They invent the technologies we sometimes take for granted. For instance, that app that rings, sings, and buzzes you out of a deep sleep every morning, a software developer helped design that. And when you roll into the office, turn on your computer, or you're working from home, clicking and scrolling through social media, music, your personal calendar, software developers had a hand in shaping those as well. If you're struggling to decide on what kind of software developer you want to be, don't worry. There are numerous options, but to simplify the decision process for you, I will share with you the 3 most common software developer roles: front end, back end, and full stack developers. So let me give you a brief detail for each of these roles. Front end developers employ programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to design visually appealing and high performing websites. These software developers blend their technical programming expertise with creative UI UX skills to deliver exceptional results. Back-end developers, on the other hand, focus on programming servers. They ensure that the underlying infrastructure supports the beautiful web applications created by front-end engineers. And the full-stack developers are versatile experts who can handle both front-end and back-end development tasks. Sounds enticing, yes? So with sufficient time, these software developers can create websites and applications entirely on their own. So typically, full stack developers use a combination of front-end and back-end programming languages. To get started as a software developer or engineer, you will need to have a strong understanding of programming languages, database systems, and web development frameworks. I recommend you start with this course offered by IBM on Coursera. I love Coursera. You know this already. As I said earlier, I will leave the link in the description. The good part is you don't have to pay for this course. You can just apply for financial aid. And to do that, watch this video on the step-by-step guide on how to apply for financial aid and take this course for free. So take the course and see if it's really a path you want to take. And of course, you have to keep learning on other platforms, boot camps, and even take paid programs to become an expert in this field. The course on Coursera is just to give you a head start. But if software development is not your thing, let's take the next one. Digital marketing manager. Digital marketing is a rapidly growing field, and remote opportunities in this area are on the rise. As a digital marketer, you'll be responsible for developing and executing marketing campaigns that helps businesses reach their target audience online. You will need to have a strong understanding of social media marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, email marketing, and paid advertising. To get started in this field, I recommend the digital marketing course offered by Google. This was recently launched, so I'll leave the link in the description. Number 3 is virtual assistant. If you're looking for a remote job with flexible work hours, becoming a virtual assistant would be a perfect fit for you. As a virtual assistant, you'll be responsible for providing administrative support to businesses and executives remotely. And you need to have a strong organizational, communication, and time management skills. Next is graphics designer. Graphics design is a lucrative remote job option. They create visual concepts that communicate ideas to consumers. This can include designing logos, arts, and other marketing materials. To become a successful graphics designer, it's important to have a strong understanding of design principles, typography, and color theory. And just start by using the free version of Canva. You can also check out more comprehensive courses on platforms like Skillshare and Udemy. Finally, on graphics designing, it's also important to build a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills and creativity to potential clients or employers. Moving on to number 5, copywriter. If you have a talent for writing, then copywriting is a great remote job option for you. I know what you're thinking. AI, yes, but companies still need humans to write copies. So, what do copywriters do? They are responsible for creating written content for advertisements, marketing materials, and other promotional content. To get started, you will need strong writing skill, creativity, an understanding of marketing and consumer behavior, and of course, how to use AI to your advantage. You can take online courses from platforms like Coursera and Udemy. These courses cover topics like copywriting fundamentals, writing for the web, and creating effective ad copy. Again, learn how to use AI to your advantage if you're taking on this career path. Okay. Next up is social media manager. This is a great option for you if you are a social media. If you know your way around socials like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, then you should consider a remote job option as a social media manager. Social media managers are responsible for managing a company's social media presence and creating engaging content that resonates with their target audience. To succeed on this role, you will need to have a strong understanding of the social media platforms I mentioned: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, digital marketing, and content creation. You can start by taking online courses on social media marketing on platforms like Udemy and HubSpot Academy. It's also important to have a strong communication and interpersonal skills, as social media managers often collaborate with other team members and interact with customers on behalf of the company. You can develop these skills by taking online courses in communication leadership from Coursera and Skillshare. And last but definitely not the least is customer support representative. Remote customer service representative provides assistance and support to customers via phone, email, or chat. To begin, you need a strong communication skills, empathy, and problem solving abilities. Udemy and Coursera offer courses on customer service. You will learn the fundamentals of customer service, conflict resolution, and how to handle difficult customers. If you're taking on this role, you need to know how to deal with high rate customers. It's also important to have an understanding of the products and services that you'll be supporting so you can effectively assist customers with their questions or concerns. You get to know about the company's products and services during the onboarding process and on the job training. So there you have it, friend. All of these remote jobs offers a great opportunity if you're looking to work from home and earn a competitive salary as well. By taking online courses, you can develop the necessary skills you need to succeed in any of these roles. So start exploring and check out this video on how to apply for financial aid on Coursera and take courses for free. If you find value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. It will help this video reach a wider audience. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I hope you finally make the decision to do so. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you in this video.